Welcome to this beautiful home located on a private cul-de-sac in the heart of Southeast Portland. It's ideally situated on nearly a quarter-acre lot, close to Leach Botanical Gardens, Bundy Park, and Gilbert Primary Park. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting interior with hardwood floors, and big bay windows provide natural light throughout. You can relax by the pellet stove. The delightful kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large island, and a built-in workspace. It opens to the breakfast nook and the dining room. On the lower level, you'll find the master bedroom with direct access to the backyard, plus 2 more bedrooms and 2 full baths. You can enjoy a gorgeous, fully fenced yard with plenty of privacy and room to roam and play. Or entertain on the new deck, a great place to gather with friends and family, or just take in the serene setting. In addition to the 2-car garage, you'll find parking space for your RV or boat. A beautiful home in a fantastic location. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Casey Price with Premier Property Group at 503-828-5062. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.